That is iPhone 6s and iPhone 7. That is iPhone 7. iPhone 7 looks like little bit thinner. By size, look like same size. Home button, it's little bit more softer. Try to transfer all your information from old phone to new, just go continue and stuff like that. And they have waiting for the phone, you can just have to go connect to each other. Almost everything same actually, not so much difference. iPhone 6s and iPhone 7. Weight about close to same. On iPhone 7 have better camera. Everything else the same. Places, cameras. iPhone 6s and iPhone 7. Thank you for looking. Good luck.